Homegirls, we're back again with Ojosdemota. Excited to review something so dope today. Again, it's gonna be by the Homegirlz beauty shop, of course. I love them so much, and I think that they deserve for me to review them again. And there were so many people posting about it, and they had a variation of colors of the bundle. So let me show you how the bundle looks. This is how it looks. I obviously had to pick green. Like, I love green, but I'm very excited to see what is in here because it was a mystery. They didn't tell you what it was. I believe I paid probably less than $30 for this, for sure. And that's including shipping. Had a discount code as well, so I thought that was pretty cool. I love supporting small businesses overall, but I think the Homegirlz beauty shop really does leave an impact on me. And okay, let's just dive into this. Okay, the first thing I see besides the lip gloss that I already used is hoops. I was very impatient with trying to put these on, which we're gonna put these on. Oh, it's powder green. It's not like your glossy green. Already making me feel bad and cheap. I love when hoops are big. I don't like buying small hoops, so I'm gonna dive into the next item and I'm gonna show you guys the lip gloss. This is the first one. They're making me feel like I'm back in the 90s, I swear, and I was born and raised in the 90s. I like that. Okay, I cannot wait to see these. Actually, let's swatch them right now. It's definitely not like this bright blue, so I'm guessing it's gonna be the same thing for the purple. Mind you, my swatches are not the best. Ooh, okay. I see you, Homegirlz beauty shop. I feel like the more pigment you pick up, look at that pink. I think the pink has to be one of my favorites. Next item that is in this bag. So I'm gonna take these two last glosses and I'm gonna swatch them. This is gonna go great with the brown lip for sure. Oh, that's beautiful already. Look at that. I'm gonna swatch this pink one. Oh my god, it's like holographic pink. Can I wear this on my eyes? No. Look at that. It's like a purple pink. But we're not done with this bundle. We have two more items left in here, and I'm very happy that they actually included 2 lashes. You know, thank you for including 2 lashes. I was very excited to see the name of this one's called Natural High. I think I'm gonna be using these today for sure. The second lash that they include, oh my god, it does not have the name on the box, which I'm not mad about, but it looks very freaking glam. Alright, and that concludes what was in our bag. We just admire before we start this tutorial. This bag. I'm so excited to put either my weed makeup in here or just use it to go out, like as a wallet, because I just don't want to use this and get it all over makeup and stuff. Like, I actually want to take care of this bolsita. So yeah, let's get started with this tutorial. By the way, I do have my own shop. I have holographic stickers still available. I actually just attached it to this cute mirror. So today I'm taking these Rice Krispies. This one is going to be the churro Rice Krispie. And then I have some of the fresa Rice Krispies. Making circular motions away from my eye, And then when I get with this corner, I'm gonna make motions towards my eye. Pink pigment right here, and I'm gonna apply it to the middle of my shadow. There's no specific guideline for this, but just consider doing like a half dome, okay? Start off right here. This used to be my favorite setting powder. Big fluffy brush from Equal Tools. I'm gonna try something really new. I'm gonna actually apply lash glue directly onto my lash line. This for sure works. Wow. I actually really enjoyed that. I'm gonna take the color purple. Taking in a brown liner.